Good day everyone. I want to show you how to work on Pixel. How to work on Pixel. It's not a big deal. Pixel is the same as other designing tools. Okay, but it has its own features. So their interface, it has different interface here. Okay, for you to work on Pixel, you see from this place, when you click here, when you click on A just for you to type whatever you like, just type it. When you click A, just go to text. When you get to text, click edit, then type anything you like. Let's say graphics. So you click OK, it will appear here. But before doing that, just click on this new text and delete it. Click on delete. So this one is all about quotes. When you click quotes, you see different quotes to choose. Either you choose motivational, English or French, anyone you like, just select it. We have different motivation here. Maybe you can select from success, friendship, happiness, inspiration, positivity, and absurd, and so on. So for you to select different quotes, it depends on the one you want. Okay, now for you to work on this, there are other things to talk about. Then click on this center icon. When you click on the center icon, you have different things. We have stickers, we have import, we have draw, we have shapes, we have bezel, and we have arrow. So for the fourth icon, we have color, transparent, image size, crop, image from gallery, from camera. So this is all about to do the introduction on how to navigate through and how to work on Pixel. So when you click on the fifth icon, we have rotate, vignette, different colors to choose, brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, and so on, even noise, background. Now this place that has 3 circles, when you click on it, we have default theme. Either you work with this background or you select from your gallery exactly. Okay, this place is my project, where you save your projects, all your projects, all the work you've done so far. Once you click on this my projects, you see all the works there. But that's not what we are running now. Okay, now for this upside, we have the plus icon. This plus icon, you see where they wrote text, current date. If you want to see the current date, you just click the current date. You see stickers. It's also written down part here. You will see shapes from gallery, draw, and so on. Then for this second icon on top here, you just click on it. You will see this place is all about to save your work, either as project or as image. Then the third one is if you want to share your work with someone, with people, then you just click share. Once you click share, you just share your work or export it. Then this place is all about the same quotes. Then for here is to save, to lock up your design. Now this place is talking about to increase, either reduce your work or to increase it. Now this part is talking about to either redo, for you to redo your work. Okay, let's delete. Now this place is talking about if you want to align your work, if you want your work to be in a straight line, just click on this place. Now just click on it, then you now align your work. Okay, now for you to use images from your gallery, you still click these three dots here, click on it. They have different things. They have use image from gallery, full screen, use image from camera, export image, image size, contact us, and so on, tutorials and so on. So for you to exit, just click exit. Okay, or so we are still on the introductory part. So assuming you want to design a flyer, so just click here. Once you click this double box, you go straight to from gallery. Just click from gallery. Once you click from gallery, it will ask you to select images of your choice. Okay, so you can find it from here, from camera, or you can come down to this area. Okay, just select this. Once you select this, click OK. Then this is the background image right now. So for you to select the pictures you want to work here, want to apply here, you can click this middle one. Once you click there, you click on import to select any pictures of your choice, any images you like. Say you want to design anything. Let me select from this pixel something. So maybe I want to select something here. Let me use this picture for example. So you can work with any design of your choice, anything. Okay, if I didn't see what I'm looking for, I will just find it from images. Then I'll now go down to camera to select or to download. So once I come down to this area, I will now find any of the images I have here. Like I don't have recent pictures. Okay, let's find from another place. Let's go to download. Let's select from download. Okay, let's say I want to work with this image. I'll just click on it. You can remove the background if you like, or you can leave it this way. So once you leave it this way, or you can remove the background. After that, the next thing you have to do is to drag your pictures or your images to anywhere you want it to be, either this part, either here. So drag it this way. You can rotate your picture. So just adjust this. Once I adjust this, adjust it to this extent. The next thing I'm going to do is I'll go to opacity. I will reduce the opacity. This affects shadow. I can enable shadow if I like, or disenable. Okay, once I reduce the opacity, I will increase this as well, increase it a little bit. After that, the next thing I'm going to do is to go to this place, go to click on text, then click on edit, then type what you want to put in your design. So what I'm going to write here is Queen of England. Okay, then the next I'm going to do is to going to be this way. Queen of England, always beauty and blossom. Your beauty attracts anyone that come across to you. Then I now click OK. It's going to be this way. So next I'm going to do is I'll go to size. I will not increase or reduce this size. Just increase it. Adjust this to this extent. Okay, then I'll increase the size a little bit. After increasing the size, I'll click on check mark. Then I'll go to color. So I'm going to select a color. Okay, I'm going to select a color. Okay, let's use this color instead. Though the color is going to be a color that suits our design. So I'll click the check mark. So I'll go to font to select font. So I'll just select fonts of my choice. If you don't like the font you choose, let's say you choose a font and you don't like it, select another font of your choice. Then after that, I'll click OK. So the next thing to do is to increase the size of this design. So just go to size, increase this size. After increasing this size, I'll just make it bold. I'll make my design bold enough. I will reduce the size a little bit. I'll make it bold enough. So just go to bold, style, click on style, then click B to bold it to increase the size of your right top. Then click the check mark. But if you don't like the color, you can actually change the color. Okay, let's use this color. Then click the check mark. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'll go to, this is delete. If you want to delete it, if you want to delete any of the stuff here, any of the images here, you can as well click delete. But I want to copy, just click copy. Once I copy it, I'll just drag it down here. I'll drag it down to this part. After dragging, I'll just take it to back. I'll take it to back. Just come to back and take it to back. Reduce the opacity. So it won't be too visible. After reducing the opacity, I'll click this shadow. Say I want to apply shadow, just enable shadow. Increase the opacity a little bit. Click the check mark. So next I'm going to do, you see this to front. If you want it to come to the front, then you now do it as well. And right now is at the back, so let's take it to back, because I just click the front now, so it will now go to the back. Then this position, if you want it to move left hand side, or this one is left hand side, this one is right hand side, this one is up, while this one is downwards, this one is upwards. So let's just leave it this way. Then the next thing to do is to see this relative position. Click on it. This relative position is talking about anywhere you want it to place. You don't want it to enter inside, to adjust left, just click. It's same thing as the other one, but if you don't want it that way, if you don't want it, just leave it this way. This one is up, this one is down, this one is up and down. It will now be at the middle for this middle part, or I don't need it. Now for padding, click padding. This padding now is talking about if you want it to have space, We have left padding, we have right padding. If you want to increase the padding part, so it will now adjust and leave space for the, and it will leave space at the left hand side. As you can see right now, it will be this way. But if we don't need this padding, just go back a little bit, take it to the normal size, normal position. Then for this right padding, it's still the same thing, just it will now go to the right side. There will be a space at the right hand side. But if you don't need it, just take it to the normal position, which is 0. Let me increase the left padding a little bit. Okay, click the check mark. So the next thing to do is to, if you want to rotate it, you can click here to rotate. And just rotate it. So I don't need it, I'll just cancel it. So for the texture, if you want to apply texture on your design, then you can click there. This is the curve part. If you want to increase the curve, if you want it to appear in curve area, then you now curve it. Now I don't need it, I will cancel it. Then for the background, if you want a background to be here, to be in this design, in this right up, click on the background, enable. Once you click on the background, you just enable it. You see this background now. You can change the color of the background. You can click the color to change the color. Let's say we are using blue color. Okay, this one is the right top. No, we are not talking about the right top right now. So I will cancel it. So I'm talking about the background color. This is the background. So just click the background. If you want it to be green color, if you want it to be blue color, you can still apply it. Any color you like, just apply. That's the background color. If you want to reduce it, this one is talking about the left padding. If you want only the left to have the background color, just do it this way. So let's change this background color. Okay, can just apply brown color or ash. Let's just use ash color. So for the left padding, is only the left hand side. It's only the right hand side that we have the padding, while the left hand side will not have anything there. So if I want it to appear on the right hand side, I'll just click the right hand side. It will now appear like this. So it will now appear like this way or this way. So let's leave it this way. I will now click this check mark. Okay, for align, if you want to align it at the middle, see this is at the middle, this one is at the middle. All your right top will be, all the right top will not be at the middle. But if you want it to be at the left side, click this way. If you want it to be at the right side, click this way. After clicking on it, just click justify. So let it remain at the left hand side. Okay, if I apply just after clicking this left hand side or right hand side, click the check mark. Or if you want to justify it to be scattered, somehow scattered, just click justify. It will not be scattered. So I don't want such to appear. I just want it the way it is. I just want it to be here. I just want it this way. So I'll click the check mark. After that, you see the spacing. Once you click spacing, they have letters, words. Draw this. You will not space the right up. So if you want the words, you will also space it out. So I don't want all those things. I will just cancel it. So another one here is line spacing. You want to space the line, you cannot drag. You see it, just the line that appear horizontally, just drag down. Okay, so I don't need it, I just cancel it. So for the stroke, If you enable stroke, you will see stroke on this right top. You see stroke at the back. If you want to change the color of the stroke, let's say you want red, you see it there. If you want black, you see it there. If you want any color, you see it there. If you increase the stroke, if you increase the width of the stroke, you see it bold enough here. So I don't need all this. I'll just cancel it because I don't need it. You can as well leave it this way, or you apply small color, let's say small blue color there. Reduce the width, the stroke width. But I don't need this color anyway. Just cancel it. So for the shadow, if you want to have shadow on your right side, just click enable shadow. You'll see it at the back. If you want to know whether you have shadow there, click, we have the opacity there. So if you change this color to green, you'll see it at the back. You see the shadow there. So that is it. The next thing to do here, if you want to blur the radius, if I click here, it is now on blur. So outer grow, you now enable it. You see how it looks. So I don't need all those things. You see offset X, I don't need it. This offset Y, I still don't need it. So I will now cancel all those things. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to click on inner shadow. So I will enable inner shadow. Once I enable inner shadow, it will appear this way, but I don't need all those things. So I will just cancel because I don't need it. If you want to change the color of this shadow, you can as well do it. You can as well change the color. You can change the colors. Okay, you can change the colors to any color that suits your taste. But I don't need all those things. I'll just cancel it. For this one, emboss. If you want to emboss your design, if you want it to be big, just enable it. Just enable it. Increase the size of this. Increase it all this way. So I don't need it. For perspective, for this perspective, just enable it. Once you enable it, your work will be like, perspective is all about if you want your work to align well. If you want it to align well, just enable the perspective. But this perspective is normally, most of the times, appear on the you will always see it. You only see it mostly on your background, or your flyer. But for the right top, I don't usually see it on the right top. Just apply it on the flyer, on any flyer you want to work with. Then I will disable. So for 3D rotate, if you drag it this way, it will now rotate your work. Drag it that way, it will now rotate your work this way. So, and this one upside down, this one left side and right hand side. So I will just disenable. Okay, let's disenable it. Okay, I'll just click the check mark. Let's say I enabled it. Then 3D text, click on it, enable it. You see how your text is going to look. See how your text is going to look. So once you see this, once you enable, you see perspective. Just go down to depth. Go down to depth. Drag it. You see how your design is going to be. See how it's going to be. Your right top, see how it's going to be. So once you change the color of this, if you want it to be darkened, you can now increase it. But for this oblique, just increase the depth. You see how it looks. You see how it looks. You see how it appears here. So I don't need it. If I want to change the color or gradient, you see different colors there. You can apply this color, change this color, apply it to another colors. But I don't need all those things. So I'll just cancel it. After cancelling it, then you see 3D shadow. Enable it. Once enable, you see the 3D shadow down here. Let this enable. Once you enable, you see it down here, down the design. Increase the opacity. You see it clearly. Now for the blur radius, just reduce it. Then expand by any number you want. You see it. See how it's moving. See how it's going. See how it's moving. So just reduce the opacity. If you don't want the opacity to appear more, just reduce it. Reduce the blur radius. Then for this expand by any number, just reduce it as well. So you can now click the check mark, or if you don't like it, cancel it. Okay, let me just apply it. Let's just apply it. Let's just enable it. I'll still reduce the opacity. Okay, I'll click the check mark. Then the next thing to do is to go to reflection. I'll click reflection. If you enable this reflection, vertical reflection, it's going to reflect our design, our right up. If you don't need this vertical offset, you will not see it. The reflection is showing down part. Once you look straight, you will now see it below the right top. It's now reflecting our design. It's reflecting to our design. So click the check mark. Then for these ones, those ones there, you see stickers. If you want to have stickers in your design, click on stickers. For draw, this one is the freehand sketch. For shapes, you can apply any shapes of your choice. Click here, go to any shapes you like, just apply it. Let's say you want to use this, the opacity, I will reduce the opacity or increase it. Free color, you can choose any color of your choice from here. So once I select any color of my choice, let's say I will use blue color. Since I'm working with blue, just select blue color, drag it to this end. It's now small, just drag it. Just drag it to this end. Just drag it to this end. Okay, the next thing to do is to, if I want to apply the stroke weight, I just add it, either black or yellow. Let's say I'm using yellow. Let me apply yellow color there. So I will use yellow color. So to make a difference. Okay, then for the blow, if you want to blow it, I just apply blow, but I don't need it. Now for the opacity, I will reduce the opacity, but if there are much, just reduce the opacity, reduce the stroke. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click the check mark. Then I'll now increase the size, rotate it. After this rotation, after rotating it down, I just apply it anywhere in this design. Okay, next I'm taking it to this extent, to this place. So I'm taking it to this place. I just apply it here, leave it this way. Now the next thing I'm going to do, you see bezel. If you want to work with this bezel, you will have your design there. Here, once you have your design, you can work with it. Let's say you want to apply this. If you want to draw, you cannot use it to draw. You can just use it and draw. You see actions, you see strokes. If you want it to be big, bold enough, you can click on strokes. If you want to increase the opacity to any amount, you can do it or reduce it. So for the stroke color, you can apply any stroke color you like. So I don't need all those things. Then I will just cancel it. Correction operation. Okay. After canceling this, for the arrow, just click on arrow. You see this arrow. You see begin arrow size, end arrow size, and so on. So I don't need all those things, just remove it. The next time I'm going to show you here, you see this place. This place is called, you see, transparent. If you want our background to be transparent, just click on transparent. If you want to apply another color, click on color. For the image size, remember we did not select any image size in this design, but if you like, you can select your image size. Now for the crop, if you want to crop any of this design, you can crop it. Click on crop. For the image, you can select image from here, or you can now go to this place and import. So they're still the same. For this one, if you want to select image from camera, if you want an image from camera, just click from camera. Then for this last one, you see rotate. If you want to rotate your design, you see this, all those things, this noise strips. I've already said so many things about this icon. I've already said so many things about the icons. For the saturation, if you want this design now to let's just click there, click on saturation. Once you drag it, you see the design, you see the color. It already changed our colors it just made our color to be saturated in form of deep blue, but I don't need all those things. Just cancel it. So if you need hue, just click on it, drag it. You see how our color looks like. It's also changed the colors, so we don't need it. Then if you need contrast, drag it. You see how the color of our background is going to be. So just cancel it. You see the brightness. If you want it to bright more, just click here. But I don't need all those things. You see strips, you can change it. Once you click strips, you cannot change the background. It will change your background immediately. For the noise, the same thing. Alright, so this is how to design. This is the introductory part of our design. If you want to work with Pixel, this is the introductory part of the Pixel Lab. So for you to save your work, before we save our work, first of all, just click the top here, then lock all those things up. Because if you don't lock it up, let's say you want to work on this again. Let's say after downloading it as image, and you want to work on this design again, all your design, not all of them, you will not see all of them. Some will be missing. That's why we normally will lock them up. So the next thing to do is to go to this place to save. Click on save. You can save as project. Let's say we are using Queen of England to save our work. So click here, click OK. So the next thing I'm going to do is to save as image as well. If you want to share, you can share it. If you want your image to be in PNG, that means you will not have the background. You will not have any background at all.